Hey everyone, welcome back to my study Pathshala. Today we are going to prove that under root 2 plus under root 3 is irrational. Now this is a bit trickier than the previous questions because it has two square root signs in it. But don't worry, let's solve this further and I'll tell you a very easy way to solve this. So let's start with the method of contradiction only. So we are going to assume or suppose that under root 2 plus under root 3 is rational like we have done in previous questions. So let under root 2 plus under root 3 is rational. This implies under root 2 plus under root 3 would be equals to a upon b, where a comma b are coprime such that b is not equals to 0. So this is the trick I was talking about. We are going to square both sides. So squaring both sides, what we get is under root 2 plus under root 3 whole square equals to a upon b whole square. Now remember here, this is of the form a plus b whole square. So we can use that identity which we have learnt in the previous classes, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to use this formula to expand. So here you can consider under root 2 as a and under root 3 as b. So using this formula we get a square, so that would be under root 2 square plus 2. In place of a we are writing under root 2 and in place of b we are writing under root 3 plus b square, so under root 3 whole square equals to, so now when we expand this it becomes a square upon b square. Now in next step you can see this under root 2 and square could be cancelled, so we'll cancel this under root 2 and square. Similarly we can cancel this square with under root here also. So we are left with 2 here and 3 over here. So here something interesting happens. 2 will come as it is, but under root 2 into under root 3 will multiply to give us under root 6. So this would be equals to a square upon b square. So realize what has happened over here. We have converted two under root signs into a single under root or a square root sign. So now it becomes like the previous questions and we can solve similarly like the previous questions. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Plus 2 under root 6 equals to a square upon b square. Now we are going to transpose this 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So this plus 5 will become minus 5. So now we are going to take LCM here like the previous questions. So there is nothing underneath here. We'll write it as 1. So LCM of 1 and b square becomes b square. So we get numerator as a square minus 5b square. So now this 2 would be also transposed towards right hand side. So here relationship of 2 with under root is multiplication. So this 2 would be divided when we take it to the other side. So we get under root 6 equals to a square minus 5b square upon 2b square. Now if you look carefully, a, 5b, these are all integers. So this a square minus 5b square and 2b square is also integer. So since it is of the form integer upon integer, so right hand side is a rational form. So if right hand side is rational, this implies that left hand side should also be rational. So this implies under root 6 is a rational number. But this is a contradiction because we know for a fact that under root 6 is an irrational number. So this means our assumption is wrong. So again, by the method of contradiction, we have proved that under root 2 plus under root 3 is irrational. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share or comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Bye.